Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Firstly, I'd like to apologize. It's been quite a few years I haven't uploaded any videos, and that's due to some health issue that I've been suffering, and it's all okay now. And thank you for the people who subscribe to my channel. I will try to upload one video every week. I'm going to make a very quick tutorial here just to get the wheel turning. This is a full circle wedding band with 10-point diamond each, shared claws, size M. Let's get started. It shouldn't take too long, and I hope it'll be useful for you guys. So I'll delete that and start fresh. From the jewelry tab, I will select a finger size M. You can choose any finger you want, any finger size. From the top where the gem section is, I'm going to use 3mm stone, which gives us 10-point diamond. And from the side view, I will take it up to just a fraction above the rail, extract curve on gem, lower it a little bit, and as you're dragging, press Control, and that should give you the surface. As you could see, surface has already been built, but it's hollow. If you press Control and Shift together and then select that, it'll allow you to, by pressing Shift, to scale the bottom of the setting. So I'll have a slight taper on it, as you could see here. I'll select that and go to Modeling, and I cap it. And while I'm at it, I'll select the diamond and go to Jewelry tab and produce a cutter, which I will double click on that. The cutter come out. I will make a slight adjustment here. I'll take the bottom of it to about 50%, and I will take the cutter down to approximately 85%, just so, because I don't want it to cut all the way to the edge here. I want to leave a bit of an edge. I'll accept that, and I'll go to Modeling, Boolean Difference. This Boolean with this. As you could see here, it's already cut it. Let's hide the diamond and see. So that's enough edge that I want. From front view, I'll go to Auto Cut, select the curve, enter, select the object I need to cut, and it already gave me the cut. I'll select diamond and the bezel, go to Follow Array, press 0, enter, and try 20 first. As you can see here, the origin is going to be 0 and 20 of them going to be turning around. And that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. Sorry about that noise in the background. Someone cutting their grass. So I've selected a curve here at the right angle, and I will pipe that curve from Modeling, pipe 0.6 down the bottom and 0.7 at the top. So that gives me a decent, once again, I'm sorry about all that noise. It should be over soon. move the claw to the position I want to have, just touching the diamond. I will also give it slight angle. That should be alright. I'll mirror this claw from here to the opposite side. Which way? This way. Okay, so as you could see, I've got two of them now. Now while I'm at it, I'll select both of them, go to polar array, and from front view, again I'll press 0, enter, and it's already selected 20 from the last one, and I'll press enter, 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 and that gave me an entire claws everywhere. Now this little gap here shouldn't be a problem, but sometimes casting house, they don't like this little fine things there. It'll break the plaster and not give you a very good casting. It'll create some problem. So what I'll do to fix this is I'll go to the drawing polyline, and I'll select this point to this point. What I'm going to try to do here is create a filler to fill that gap. So that's my filler, and from top view I will extrude this solid. Make sure solid is selected. I don't think it's big enough, so I'm going to go back and adjust it slightly. I don't know why I made it so narrow. It has to cover up a little over to seal the whole gap. Now, a little trick here, if you want to scale this like that, as you can see, it scales it crooked. So we'll go back. What you got to do is adjust the cursor to the same angle, the gumball to the same angle as the cursor, as the claw. So by pressing control, you can move the cursor to the same angle. That way, when you do scale it, it's scaling it nicely. So now I'm assuming I've filled the gap. When I go to extrude it, it's showing me that it's still got a bit of a gap. So it doesn't matter, because I've selected the cursor before. Now it's changed the position of the cursor. So press Control, and let's get all the views and try to see what happened here. It's all right. I've got the recording history on. So that seemed to be okay. That filled up this gap. It's like a little wedge, as you could see. So now we highlight that little wedge here, and I'll polar array it as well, 20, which already recorded from the previous selection. So that filled up everything around the ring, all the gaps. I'll hide the stones by pressing the wheel on the mouse. You get this little menu. Select all stones, hide them, and that's that little wedge we've put in. If I highlight everything and press Boolean Union, it's going to take a moment to calculate. We've got 60 poly surface and 20 extension added to the selection. So it's going to combine everything as one piece now. It's taking a little longer, but it's a lot of computing. Okay, so now it's all done. As you can see now, the whole thing is one piece. Bring back the stones, and your ring is ready. Voila. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I will try to upload one every week. I'll keep it simple and slowly make it more advanced. If you have any question, please write me a note on my channel, and I'll be more than happy to create a tutorial according to what you guys need. Thank you very much. Have a good day.